How to reset suggested content on Instagram. For example, open Instagram here, then click on search. Now this is suggested content to me from Instagram, but I want to reset it and start from the beginning. So at right bottom side, you will go to your profile. At right top side, you will see a 3-bar icon. Click on this. Then go down here, search for content preferences. Click on content preferences. Then at the bottom, you will see reset suggested content. Click on this. Then click on next. At the bottom, reset suggested content. Click on this. Then for confirmation, click on reset suggested content, the red one. Click on this. And you are good to go. All the suggested content will be reset. This confirmation is pop up. Your suggested content has been reset. Now click on search and everything will be changed. So this was a quick video how you can reset suggested content on Instagram. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, comment down below. Thanks for watching.